Our level 2 charger for the Mini has finally arrived and I'm picking it up. Melanie wants to say hello. Say hello. This is who you get your Mini from.
All right.
Bye guys. Thank you. Well, I'm glad I brought the truck. Unfeasibly large box for a little charger. As you probably know, the back of my truck is full of car parts anyway, so hey, the size of this monster. Okay, let's get home and we'll unbox, see what we get. A quick recap for everyone. We bought our electric Mini 1 month ago, almost to the day. Now, it was supposed to come with a level 2 charger as part of the promotion. However, this was a BMW promotion and they didn't quite inform all the branches that yes, it would come with a level 2 charger, but it would have to be sent out, and they were a wee bit vague with delivery dates for it. So I can't fault Mini St Catherine's. They were doing their job, they did it well, nice people, they all drive Minis, they're all Mini diehards, but they were a wee bit messed about with the level 2 charger. It's not their fault. Anyway, 1 month later, I'm picking up the charger. Now I need to decide if I'm going to be able to wire it all up to the fuse box myself, or if I'm going to have to pay 1,000 or 2,000 for some professional to come out and do it. It's a tricky one. Obviously I don't want to burn the house down, but I have managed to wire my whole basement when I was refurbing that, and I did wire up power for my welder and plasma gun in the garage. So the only difference is I think the level 2 charger has 4 wires and I currently only have 3 wires. Also, I know that this level 2 charger for the Mini is a 32 amp draw, so I need a 40 amp breaker in the fuse box. I don't have any space for more breakers in my fuse box. I could replace the current 30 amp fuse that's going to my welder with a 40 amp fuse, but that kind of relies on the 3 wire thing. So once we get home, I will open the box and see how many wires we've got to play with, and then make the decision: am I going to pay someone a fortune to do a good job, or am I going to just have to research it and figure it out myself? I've got about 45 minutes to decide on that one, so we'll see you at the house. I really hope this is mostly packaging. I'm already tight for space in here. Let's start with the small one. Well, smaller. Okay, that one giant box had this in it, which is a cover. A sign of things to come. That's a huge cover for a charger. Okay, onto the big one. Yeah, it's mostly packaging. Really did not need this giant box. Anyway, instructions, I should probably read them. Big bag of screws, wall screws. I may have cut through the bag, but all the parts are there. So that's obviously for mounting it into concrete. I'll try not to cut through the cable. Ugh. Calm down. Very strange method of packaging. Oh, I see. So, let me show you this. Right, before I take it out of the box. You can see there, it comes with a design cover, but it's a BMW design cover, so they give you a mini electric design cover also. So, stick that on eBay. We have good news. It comes with a plug, and it's a 3-pin plug. This is extremely good news because I already have 3-pin outlets in the garage, so I don't have to rewire the entire fuse box. What I will need, however, is a 40 amp breaker for the basement, and then we're pretty much good to go. I'll show you where I'm going to mount this. This is currently where the 240 comes in from the basement. It's a wee bit messy, you know, I should really close all that up. But I have two separate types of plugs. One was for the welder, one is for my heater, my 240 heater in winter. But the one I require for this charger is that one there. Now, I have options. It's a very short cable, which would mean I would have to mount the charger there, or I could run another big wire from that outlet, maybe up over to there, because I would quite like to have the charger on that wall in the corner. Okay, let's see what we have in that box. It's really not rocket surgery, to be honest. We have a big box that goes in the wall. We have a big cable that comes out with that plug that I was talking about. So as I say, that would actually just plug straight into the outlet I've got. On the other side you have a big chunky cable. I don't know how long that is, probably about maybe 4 meters, maybe 5, I'm not sure, I need to undo that and see. And obviously at the end you've got your BMW plug. I wonder if I can change that for a minute. Excellent. Oh, I think I've broken it already. Shocker. Anyway, that's just a waterproof cap in case you want to mount it outside. Right, I suppose I better look at the instructions. But it looks fairly straightforward to me. Obviously I need to replace this cover with this cover. Well, I don't need to, but I want to. Let's see how much cable we have. So it looks like I can mount this pretty much anywhere in the garage. Absolutely tons of cable, all the way into the corner. So if I was to mount it here, then pretty much get cable to go anywhere the full length of the garage. So I don't need to spend more time and money routing the main wiring all across into that corner. I am just going to mount that there. So I just need to remove all that, relocate that. Hey, that can go in the corner instead. So that means all I have to do is go out and get a 40 amp breaker from Home Depot or wherever's got the best price. And then we're good to go. So I'm going to get on that right now. And the next video I will be installing this box of delight and testing it out in the Mini. Okay, that's all Mini for today. It is time now for round 5 of the PP game.
The PP game.
On the last round of the Past Profession game, I gave you the choice of A, Plumber's Apprentice, B, Wedding Limousine Driver, or C, Donkey Attendant. I was in fact a limo driver, and the picture that I showed, I'll show it up here, is pretty much what I was driving as a chauffeur. And I can honestly say it's the worst car I've ever driven in my life. The amount of free play was like half a turn. It was awful. I couldn't bear risk the lives of the new or almost newlyweds in the back of the car. So I gave that up fairly quickly. Right, on to today's question. Was one of my past professions A, a driving instructor, B, a bungee jump technician, or C, an orange picker in Spain? An easy one this week. Or is it? Make sure you leave your answer in the comment section below. A, B, or C. If you've forgotten what they are, rewind the video and watch it again. Right, I have got a breaker to find, and a charger to wire up, and a car to build, and the list goes on. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.